How to use gift card on Walmart app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. If you would like to use gift card on Walmart app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch Walmart application on your mobile device. And if you want to use a gift card, you have to do so during the checkout process. Go to the card option on the top right corner and make sure you have added the product that you want to buy to your cart. And then just continue the checkout process. Also make sure to enter your shipping options. It is on the payment method where you have to choose a gift card. So just tap on the option over here and then go ahead and select the type of the card that they accept over here. And then over here you can see it says learn more about the payment we accept. So just tap on the payment method and right under it you will be able to find Walmart gift card, which means you can simply enter your Walmart gift card code right here. So you just need to simply enter your gift card number in this card number page and make sure the gift card number is basically correct. And then below it just select Walmart gift card here. You need to make sure you enter the 4-digit PIN and then just tap the save card option in order to go ahead and use gift card. In this way you can use your gift card on Walmart app. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.